Howdy friends, I'm glad you're here. Welcome to Turner Truck and Tractor. My name is Les, and today I just wanted to share a couple of thoughts and observations on my newly purchased Harbor Freight Fortress 10-gallon ultra quiet air compressor. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Okay, like I said, this is the Harbor Freight Fortress 10-gallon ultra quiet air compressor, and I will put the part numbers down below, but I just unboxed it. It's easy to assemble. All you have to do is bolt on the two rear wheels and you are good to go. There's nothing else to it. What I've added to it is the 3/8 inch Merlin rubber hose to it, and I already had the Merlin air gun. And then I also got two sets of, and I'll show it here, the Merlin 4-piece high-flow aluminum coupler set. And hopefully I can show you here. But here is a regular brass 1/4 inch, and I don't know if I can put it up to the light where you can show the difference, but definitely a weight difference and a size difference compared to my old air compressor, which was a 20-gallon piston powered unit. It never flowed as much air or as pressure as this little guy. This is quite the unit. It pumps up to 175 psi, which is more than enough. That is almost too much in my opinion. 10-gallon capacity. Really good looking unit. It fits well. 2 points that I did notice on the drain petcock down below, and I will try to show you that right there. It is not on the bottom, so you will never drain the last dropout if that's a concern. And then on the steel braided line that goes from the compressor itself to the tank, they did not waste 1 inch on it, and I wish they would have added an inch to it, because I don't like that tight radius bend right there. And it's got a little bit of flexibility to it, but not much. Whenever I ran it, and before, I had the decibel meter on my phone, and it starts out at about 35, and then as it builds up pressure and gets close to that 175, it does get louder. But it never broke, 50 decibels. It sounds like a loud refrigerator is the best way I can describe it. So I will turn it on and let you have a listen. Right now we're at about 160 pounds in the tank itself, and then this knob sets the regulator, and right now it's got about, I would call it 40, and you can see it drop whenever I take some pressure off of it, but it recovers really fast. Now the question is, would I buy it again? And I will say in a heartbeat. I would buy 2 of them if I needed 2 of them. We're out in the shop and here in the garage. So thank you for sticking with me, and thank you for watching Turner Truck and Tractor. Please like and subscribe and share, and I will see you soon. Take care. God bless.